Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the sunroof or panoramic roof. If you have that option on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation, guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problem with the sunroof or panoramic roof not working correctly, it could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools at a good price, okay, we can see where we get them from, where we get most of our supplies from. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now, guys. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the sunroof, the moonroof, guys, main fuses, relays, where they're located, most people, they assume they're actually in a fuse box that's under the hood, right? The main fuse box facing the engine. This is on the right side, on the driver's side, right here. This is the fuse box. But for our big surprise, actually, that fuse is not here. Where it is, guys? It's in a fuse box that's hidden inside the vehicle. Where? Well, if you come on the left side of the steering wheel, underneath here, you're going to have that trim panel. We removed it and we have everything open now, so we can show you with a great detail. We have a hidden fuse box here, some relays, and many more hidden relays here as well. Now, guys, here we made a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, video that will teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays, and show you how to remove that trim piece. Oh, by the way, before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So now, for the sunroof, also the panoramic roof, unfortunately we don't have that option. Ours is pretty basic Tiguan, but if you have it, we'll explain where you can expect to have these fuses. And the fuse that we're talking about fuse number 43 is the first fuse. The number of the fuse will be listed on top for these big fuses. That will be the first fuse in that bottom row. Fuse number 43 right here, and then you need to check fuse number 57. So you may have another fuse right here, guys, the fourth fuse, because that's 60, 59, 58, 57 right here. You don't have specific relay for the sunroof, panoramic roof, but if you still have problems with it not working, we may need to check BCM, body control module fuses and relays. If you don't know where they're located, the video will be on our YouTube channel. Check it out, guys. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.